welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle.
I'm James.
We're just wondering, you might be wondering why James is sat on the roof. And that is because we are, blimey Bella, we are about to install a pull-out shower.
From Direct 4x4.
Direct 4x4, woo, bad angle. But we'll just show you how to do it quickly because it's super easy and super quick, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's do it. So the kit comes with 2 L-shaped brackets, the physical shower, and 8 bolts. Yeah, 8 bolts. Nylon.
Might be more bolts, just enough bolts.
Yeah, enough bolts.
Nylon, so they don't rattle loose.
So they don't rattle
Stainless,
loose.
so they don't rust.
Stainless so they don't rust. And what you do is on your roof bars, James will show you now.
So we line them up on our roof bars. And then drill.
I'll show you that.
Drill through underneath. Take it off, grab the vacuum.
Quick over. Next step.
Grab your boltios. Boltios.
Put the bolt up.
Or down. Down's probably actually better.
Because we're not messing with Annabelle's OCD because that side's up and this side's now going to be down. Good job, James.
Is the reason.
Thank you. That would be much appreciated.
It would be better the other way around.
Too late now.
Like my t-shirt too.
Yeah, we got some t-shirts. Head up. Look at it. Which we
Because
love.
matches Derek.
Because it matches Derek. So your bolts go up and your nylons go on.
They don't have to go, they can go down. They can go anywhere you want them to go, but just for us, this is the easiest way because, as always, we're doing this
On the
literally
day
the day we leave our trip.
There's Annabelle's input.
And our input. A little ratchety boy. It's caught under there. It's not caught under there.
Essentially, you just do these up, however which way you've got to do, and then you bolt the actual shower on to these 2 bits. Because there it is. With this.
So what we got, buddy?
It's a shower.
Yeah, it's a shower.
It's not a shower.
So,
It's a shower compartment.
yeah, Annabelle went to see the guys at Direct 4x4 because we needed a pole.
Friends at Mark.
Yeah, needed a pole for our canopy because it got attacked by the wind and someone forgot to take it down. And they were really helpful. And whilst you were there, you got a little bit carried away, didn't you? And got lots more cool bits, which are going to make the van look super cool.
We need to put these through the 2 holes and bolt them on, then it's shower time.
So, douche. Oh, can she do it? No, she can't. There we go, there's 2. Eyes again, please, buddy. Yeah. Bolts on.
There we are. So once you've tightened the bolts, you then have
To get your James down.
a James is stuck, but you now have a shower cubicle. Yeah, we'll show them in a second, I think. So yeah, let's get you down. Should we just test it out then? Don't leave me hanging.
Over the top. Ooh. Have a look at me shower.
Let me shower.
Would you like to go?
That, you dirty buggers. Pass them through. Pass them through. Here's your shower.
Maybe wide angle.
So you've got a very large, I'm in the corner, very large space there. You've got some diddly poppers for...
It's a two-person shower now.
Blimey.
I think we can use that to hang our thing.
You're joking.
So we can hang our thing in there, can't we?
And shower your shower up there. So you can hook your shower in there. And then you've got diddly poppers. I don't know what this diddly poppers are. Oh, I know. It's to show them your brand. Don't know what that's for.
I don't know what that's for, but
Work it out.
yeah.
Do you like it?
I like it a lot, actually. It's really good.
That's super handy.
Getting in and out of wetsuits on the beach, that's going to be mega, isn't it?
It's very warm in here, isn't it?
Very good. Warm. Thank you for watching us put a shower on the van.
Yeah. If you have any questions, let us know. If you want to buy one, let us know. We'd love to chat.